Hi everyone and welcome back to our channel. If you don't remember us, my name's PIBBLE1 and this is my friend PIBBLE2. And today we are going to be working at the morgue shift. Because we got fired from our last job, obviously, so we're going to be working at the morgue shift because it's the only job available. If you don't know what a morgue is, it's basically where they put dead bodies in, like, freezers. So we are a bit scared. But today, since we're scared, you guys are going to come along with us on the journey. And hopefully you guys don't get scared. But anyways. Inside the hospital, there's a very creepy doctor, and we need you with us. So let's go. Hi guys, and welcome back to Pibble's Play Roblox.
Yay!
Okay, so today, don't mind how I'm talking very loud. It's just there's the tiny bit of music and stuff, and I don't really. The last time there was music, I didn't sound very loud, so. If you guys don't hear me, I will put, like, a voiceover over this, probably. Or, like, I might put some, like, I don't know. But anyways, today we're going to be playing the morgue shift or something like that. Shift or something like that. Oh, God, there's someone in the roof. Anyways, so let's get started.
20 seconds, bloody hell.
We've got Shrek and macaroni cheese.
Where?
Shrek and macaroni cheese woman.
Oh. Ah.
Why am I so fat and you're so skinny?
Because you eat and I don't. I'm a good girl.
You do eat. Oh, there's a chicken! Oh my gosh! Ending mission that you could find. Oh god, it already looks creepy. I can see the little fridges.
I think we're not gonna find it because I think we're gonna die immediately.
Okay, guys, here's the sensor. Oh god, there's a little alien guy in the thing. Exit. Okay, PIBBLE1 and PIBBLE2. I don't know what that says.
No, I'm about to die and I don't have a charger.
Oh my god, what the hell?
What?
Our avatars. We're in a different country from. So there's a sterilizing room, an auto perceive room. I don't really know what that is. Corridor 2, lift, corridor 2. Okay. Lobby, whatever that says. Cremation room, morgue freezer room. I'm not. Okay, where's the phone?
Hello, we're sending.
Right, shush.
Now,
Oh, where you
please
go?
stand by.
Ooh, okay.
It's a body. Oh, hello.
Rennie, 36th female, blast injury. I don't really know. Oh, we've got timer. Where's that room?
The autopsy room.
Search where that is. Go look on the thing.
Did you die?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it again. Right, so should we let that monster thing out now?
Yeah.
Right, get ready to run up here, okay? Run up here, like...
No. Okay, you open it. He's not there. This is scary. You can't run. What's the phone?
We're sending the page. Stretch it up now, please stand by.
We've got a different person.
Crematory room, where's that, right? So we're...
Lift corridor 2. So
We need to go to the cremation room.
I have no clue where you are, but I'm just going to keep it.
So that means he's going to come out of this room now.
God. I don't know what to do.
Then we've got to let him out, don't we? Praying room.
Yeah, because we're in a different country.
Okay, it's gonna come out, so go on, you ready?
Yep. Where is it?
Release.
What do you mean release? Open cremator door. Oh, we've got to move. Close it. Oh, close it. Bye. You shut the door on me. I'm stuck. Oh, you're still here. Thought you'd left the room. Okay, what do we do now? Turn on the cremator. Is it like burning? Ooh, cooking some food.
No, but this is what happens when you die, bro. Yes, if you get cremated, then
Yeah, if you choose to get cremated, then you don't have to.
you get set on fire like a barbecue.
I know.
Oh, steak. Where's it gone?
Open cremator door.
Right.
It's gonna be like that.
Where is? Oh my god, the bones. Collect the bones.
Oh, we're on a timer. Oh no, that's the time. Okay. So we're putting the cremated bot. Not bot. Bot. The cremated bot. Oh my god, it's the doctor guy.
Where?
He's chasing me. No, he's chasing me. I'm running. I'm walking, actually. He's behind me, he's behind me. He's behind me, he's behind me. No, what do I do? What do I do?
Why is it coming?
I can hear you. Oh my god, I see you. Come. Come up the stairs. I don't know what to do. I heard it like roaring and it was there. Oh, well, he was down here, so.
Oh, little boy's playing. We left the thing upstairs.
We need to put the stretcher in the lift. Go get it and put it in the lift.
Push up behind the door.
Who the hell is that? There's like a body sat at home. I'm turning off the music, it's really annoying me.
When did we have to talk to it?
We have to talk.
Let's talk to the shrouded body. It says it hurts so bad. Something's blocking my way out. Please take that thing, cleanse me of its pain. As you get here, we're starting the autopsy. You've got the camera.
What does it say?
It says that it's hurting.
What's hurting?
Oh my god.
See what?
I'm performing the autopsy.
What's an autopsy?
Little girl. Little girl.
What the hell's an autopsy? I don't get it. Oh, we've got to examine the body and look for stuff.
It's not working. How do I do it?
Don't know, mate. just says Pibble 2 is performing an autopsy.
It failed.
Let me try. How? You don't have a brain.
What?
Doll cloth remain containing soul binding used to delay death. Smells like intense wet earth. Okay. Place the stretcher beside the body. Right. Release. I am not going there.
Where?
The morgue room.
Come on. You've got the camera, so you have to come.
Okay, bro.
So you have to come.
Right, move it then. Don't tell me that weird doctor's up.
I'm here. Come, but it's not upstairs, mate.
Wait for me then. I don't know where the morgue room is. Oh, it's here.
Where?
Yeah.
Right. So you just go through yet?
Holy AI. It's all in a different language. Freezer number 5. Where's that? A, B, C. Oh, it's the wrong one. Bye.
Bye. Right, we've got to get the stretcher. We have to take the stretcher. This is the only stretcher we have. Ah, you've locked me in!
I never locked you in, bro.
Yes, you did. You locked the door. Call her. Call her then.
I'm calling her!
Yeah.
Hello, the body was placed in the freezer. I'll put the stretcher in the lift. She didn't answer. That's a bit rogue. She just put the phone down.
Does that. Does that mean is the doctor going to come out?
I don't know. I'm hiding behind the counter. I feel safe here.
Let's get you, little girl.
No.
No, you don't know how to do it. Run upstairs.
No, I'm staying down here. Who is she?
She's right there.
Yeah, but who is she though? Is she the nurse?
Did you do my little acrobatics with the stretcher?
No. We're sterilising the body.
What's in the body?
Yeah, but he's in a blanket, so how are we washing him?
Right, need soap. Where's the soap?
Oh, he died in a flood. At least I can swim.
Look at.
Ma'am, you're just gonna pull.
Yeah. Where are you?
I just claimed a stretcher. I had a fight with that nurse, and I claimed the stretcher. I won.
Did you find her?
So I grabbed onto the other side of the thing, and then it said fight, and you had to tap.
Oh.
Autopsy room still. Oh.
Can we leave? I don't like playing with the bodies anymore. Sage.
Okay, so the game ended now, surprisingly.
Yeah, definitely.
So we're gonna be leaving the game now. So I will see you lot later. And yeah, there's like another round, but we're choosing not to play it. So.